How's it going, everybody? Now, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Pittsburgh, I think it's a 20-piece set, metric, 3/8 drive. I've had it for probably a little over a year now, and I have used it here and there. As you can see, the box kind of beat up a little bit from being dragged everywhere. I still do have the foam pad. I know most people usually get rid of them after a bit. It goes from 10 millimeter to, I don't know if you can see, 22 and deep. It does skip sizes though. And here it goes from 10 to 22 as well. And these sockets are stamped, but not very deep, so probably after a little bit, after a little bit, it'll kind of be hard to see. It does come with a 3/8 drive ratchet, a 3/8 extension, and I think it's like one. Oh yeah, it says it right there. 1 3/4 inch extension, which surprisingly these can come in handy. And the ratchet itself is actually not bad, surprisingly. What else can I say about this? The hinges or the locks actually held up pretty good. They're not bad, and when you shake it, everything actually stays in place still. Even when I take off this too. As you can see. As for the thing to hold it in right there, it does have, you can't see it, but it has like a metal bar that kind of goes around on the inside through it that you can actually take out if you really wanted to. Because I used to have a different set, it was a similar box. Basically, you would just cut a little bit right here, and then you'll be able to push it out. I think, yeah, it does. It has a little hole right here for a little lock or zip tie if you want to do that. It is metric, and it's all 3/8 drive. So if you like this video, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.